In this video, we will learn about control and coordination. What do you mean by control? Control means you will be able to control any reaction or any factor. So that means you can either speed up or you can speed it down so that you can change the rate at which something is moving or some reaction is happening. Or it can also mean you will be able to start or stop a particular factor or reaction. Now, what does coordination mean? Coordination means there should be harmony between two or more things. So, if you think of a football team or a cricket team, so the team is playing the game with coordination, with harmony. So, the only goal in that case is to win the game. Now, in this case, that is in human body, harmony is important to keep all the activities to run in a order so that our body can function properly. And controlling is important to start or stop any reaction when we need it or speed it up or speed down. Now, this is very important when we see a multicellular organism because we have millions of cells and each cell has to coordinate, communicate with the other remaining cells. So, multicellular organisms have evolved two main systems to ensure efficient control and coordination of various activities going on. So, this will occur simultaneously in different systems of their body. Now, if you think of one particular action, let's assume I am moving hand. So, it is a very simple action. For this, I need coordination with many different systems. For example, my muscles have to work. So, muscles are attached to bone. The skeletal system has to work. Skeletal system also include joints. Then our nerves also should function because the brain has to send signal to the hand muscles so the muscles can move. For muscles, skeletal system and nerves, we provide energy and oxygen. So we need circulatory system to work, respiratory system to work, digestive system to provide glucose and so on. So for one simple action like moving hand, we have so many systems who have to work simultaneously and in coordination. So this coordinating system include nervous system and endocrine system. Nervous system that exercises neural control through electrochemical impulses, and endocrine system exercises chemical control through chemical molecules known as hormones, also known as chemical messengers. Now, if we see how these nervous system works, so it works as a response to the stimulus. So what is stimulus and what is response? A stimulus is an information received by the nervous system about the conditions in the environment, either inside or outside of our body. For example, a nail pricking my hand, nail is the stimulus, so which is an external or outside the body stimulus. If I take inside the body will be food that enters my digestive system, that can be a stimulus. Now what will be the response? So response is a reaction to the stimulus. So basically if a nail pricks, what is my response? To withdraw hand away from the nail so that it doesn't hurt my hand or skin. If I eat food, what is the response? Digestion, simple as that. So digestion should occur. That's the response. So it is the behavior that is shown by a living organism as a result of any external or internal stimulus. And what is the path that the nervous system follows is, as soon as the stimulus is received, it is received by the sense organ. It can be skin, eye, mouth, nose, in mouth especially tongue, and so on. The signal will be sent to central nervous system where the information is processed, and the proper response will be sent to an effector organ, which will be like here withdrawal hand will be muscle tissue. So signal will be sent to muscle, which is a effector organ in the first case, and a proper response will be generated. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.